Hello everyone, my name is Fazal. You are watching MFA Civil Engineering. Varnish is a homogeneous colloidal dispersion solution of a natural or synthetic resins in a oil or thinner or both. It is used as the protective and the decorative coating of a suitable surface, and it dry up by evaporation, oxidation and polymerization of its constituent, leaving behind a hard, transparent, glossy, lustrous and durable film. The varnish contain a various constituents like resins, drying oil, thinner or solvent, dryer, and anti-skidding agent. Varnish containing resins may be a natural resins or the synthetic resins. Natural resins include a shellac, copal, and rosin, and synthetic resins include a phenol formaldehyde, alkyds, and urea formaldehydes. Oils like linseed oil, tung oil, fish oil, dehydrated custard oil, and soybean oil are used as a drying oil. Turpentine, petroleum spirit, kerosene, and ethanol may be used as a thinner in the varnish. Soap of heavy metals include lead, cobalt, manganese, naphthanates, resinate, and linolates may be used as a dryer. Amyl phenol may be used as the anti-skidding agent. There are two main types of the varnish which are available in the market, like oil varnish or spirit varnish. Oil varnish is a homogeneous solution of a one or more natural or the synthetic resins in drying oil and a volatile solvent to which some dryer are added. The presence of the oil reduces the natural brittleness of the pure resins film. This type of varnish dry up slowly by evaporation of the volatile solvent followed by oxidation and polymerization of the drying oil. Such varnish take a longer period for about 24 hours for drying. Film produced is hard, durable and quite luster. For example, copal varnish, which is prepared by dissolving a copal in a linseed oil and mixing a quantity of a turpentine. They are used for the exterior as well as the interior work. Spirit varnish is obtained by dissolving a resins completely in a volatile solvent such as methylated spirit. In this varnish, spirit is used instead of the oil. Spirit varnish dry up quite rapidly but leave behind a film which is brittle, so it has a tendency to crack or peel off. It can be avoided by adding some plasticizer. Moreover, the film is easily affected by the weather. For example, spirit varnish are prepared by dissolving a shellac, that is a resins, in a spirit or the alcohol. Such varnish are used for the polishing of wooden furniture.